Yeah, so today I'm doing 2 unboxings. I put on the Dr. Zenovia spot treatment. My pimple is almost gone. It's just like a red scar or red spot. I hope it's not a scar, but overall it lowered, it disappeared, and I have a tiny one here which is also lowering as well. So yeah, and I just put on my vitamin C oil, and yeah, so I hope my skin improves better. Anyways, I am so excited today because for the first time in years, literally years, I've received an Influenster box. Yeah, I don't know how many times I've been trying to get a box from them. The last time I got it was probably like before COVID, so like 2018, 2019, those years was the last time I received a freaking Influencer box. Can you believe it? And I don't know why, but this year I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try and apply every VOXBOX and re-download the app, and you know, because before I would apply to VOXBOX or I wouldn't get the invites and my emails, and I don't know why, what happened, but then out of nowhere again, I guess because of the update, and then it looks so updated in the app, they changed. So I was like so excited because they didn't tell me that I received this. They sent me like a lot of emails and invites, and I just filled out everything, so I don't know what it is literally. So I'm so excited to see what it is. It's very small and it feels like there's more than one thing, so it can be anything. I signed up for skincare, beauty, hair, and that's pretty much it, I think, because the food and last Influencer box was food, and that's how, you know, I couldn't get anything that I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna apply for food. And I got dressing. I was like, I don't even need dressing, but I still had to do the review because it's Influencer, you're supposed to do reviews, and I still have it on my Instagram page. It's so old. You just scroll back. If you scroll back, it's still there. So oh my gosh, so finally, this is not food. I learned my lesson to not even apply to food, even though I don't get, you know, makeup stuff, to just wait, even though years. I'm gonna finally receive like a beauty related item. So let's see what it is. I'm kind of not scared, but like I hope it's something nice because I don't know what it is, and I just fill out the information quick. I don't really pay attention as much. So okay, finally, yay. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh, there's 3 things. Oh my god, yay. Yes, I'm so excited. So I picked, it's because one of these products I wanted to try it for years. Oh my gosh, they surprised me good. This was worth the years of waiting, of receiving an Influencer box. Oh my gosh. So this is from Belief. I've been trying to try this brand from the longest, but it's pretty expensive, and there's even commercials on TV and YouTube ads about it. And I think like Manny MUA uses the skincare, or some important influencer YouTuber. I don't freaking know. I don't even watch him, but like he pops up in my ads and stuff. So that's how I know. Oh, it's freaking sweating. I barely turn on the air. So anyway, so wow, there's 3 things. So okay, let me just show you this first. So yay, look, they're so tiny. This is the product that I was so excited to try for years. Oh my gosh, so finally I received it. Oh my gosh, thank God, because I manifested it subconsciously, because like I said, I always wanted this, and I kept seeing it everywhere on TV or Instagram, or maybe somebody I follow unboxed it. I don't freaking know, and I forgot about it. I clearly did not know or remembered about this. That's cool how we do things subconsciously. Anyway, so oh, it's a cleansing balm. I always wanted a cleansing balm. Oh my gosh, yay. I'm so happy. So this is the Aqua Balm Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. Oh, it's 3-step texture changing cleanser. Yes, it says yes. I'm not lying. Like, where it says yes, like screaming out. I want to scream, but all day everybody was outside, and you can hear everything and they can hear me, so it's awkward anyway though. So this is the effectively removes makeup and impurities, which I need, and it moisturizes and soothes skin after cleansing, which I need. So look, it has like all those blue bars and it says yes, so basically saying that it has those things, and it's dermatologically tested, so this sounds good. And it has like dusty flurry stuff, fuzzy stuff. Just clean it up little. I did not open this before, I don't know why it's dirty. It just came like that dirty. So okay, so I'm cleaning it. Okay, whatever. So this is so tiny because the original size is pretty big. This one's the mini travel size. Ooh, it smells pretty strong. It smells like minty, refreshing, with chemically, like a mouthwash. Like, I don't know if I like it for my skin, but I love the color. I feel in love with the color. It's so pretty. So obviously I'm not wearing any makeup, so I can't try it out right now, but maybe in the future. So wow, this is so pretty. So this is okay. Just apply it on your face and rinse with water. So it's simple. It's just a cleansing balm. Oh, okay. I'm so excited to try this. Oh my gosh. So finally, oh wait, should I read this first? It has waterproof makeup and SPF. Wait, oh no, it helps remove waterproof makeup and SPF. Okay, so this one sounds really good. Oh, okay. Okay, finally, this big one caught my eye. So this is a Aqua Bond Jelly Cleanser. Oh, that's cool. I've never tried a jelly cleanser before, just foaming or regular liquid, but never jelly or cleansing balm. So I'm so excited to try these. Wow, okay. I love the packaging, the color looks so pretty, the design. So this one says it's intensively hydrating, which I need, and it gently removes makeup and impurities, just like the other one, which I need, and it's dermatologically tested like the other one. And it says with Ladies Mantle Nappy Ears Original Formula, Aqua Formula. I don't know what's Nappy Ears or Ladies Mantle, but it's, I'm just reading everything here. I don't freaking know what it is. Do y'all know what? Oh, it comes like with this little book thing you can open or whatever. I don't want to ruin it, but oh, this is made in Korea. Is this made in Korea? Korean skincare is the best. Have y'all seen their skin? I just want their skin, their glass skin. Oh my gosh, but it's impossible because in this heat, the sun over here is very intense as opposed to Korea. It's very cold over there. The heat is not as strong as here, as the south. Look. You see that if I lived in Korea, I'd probably be super pale like this, or even lighter, to be honest. But anyway, so let me open this and see. Let me just smell it. So, ooh, no, I don't think I like the smell either. It's pretty strong. Let me see the texture. Okay, it's just white and clear. So I don't know why they smell. It smells like the Replenics or no, Dr. Synovia, around there. That it smells like medicine-y or doctor-y or like. But my skin didn't react badly with those, even though it smells pretty strong. So I hope these don't work badly as well. So it says it's a water-based gel, so that's pretty cool. So it just washes away daily dirt and grime without stripping the skin of moisture. So that's amazing for us dry skin gals. So, okay, finally the last thing is this little bitty kitty thing. I don't know what it is. It's so cute. It says, oh, this is from a different brand. This is the Sephora collection brand. It's the Ultra Glow Serum Oof, I'm in love with serums right now. I'm just using oils and serums. So it's from the Sephora collection. I've never tried anything from Sephora brand. So this is the C and E vitamins. So I heard C. I'm using it right now. So this is pretty nice. The E I don't use, but it's very nice. Like I've seen on TikTok, people use the vitamin E pills, the capsules or however you say it, and they cut it open and then they squeeze the pill and put it in their face and rub it in their skin. But you can also get the liquid version, but I hear like the pill version where you have to pop it open and squish it and use it like that is better. I think it has like more stronger benefits. I think, I don't know, I kind of want to try that for a video, but I don't know, because I don't want to mix a lot of stuff in my skin right now, but it's pretty cool. So this one is, oh, you're supposed to use it every morning on a clean, dry face and neck. So this is something for the morning. So this basically is infused with what I said, those 2 vitamins and peptides from marine algae, which is pretty cool because I recently got sent products with marine algae, or I don't know how to say those eye gels, which I love. My skin doesn't react badly with marine algae, so it's because I'm a mermaid. That's why this works perfectly on my skin. So if you didn't know, it's because of that. So yeah, so I'm gonna love this for sure, I'm pretty sure. And it helps increase skin radiance and improves and even outs your skin tone, which I need everything. So wow, yeah, I'm so excited to try all of these 3 products out. This was my most exciting one for me, and then this one, and then this one. So which one is the most exciting for y'all? So to be honest, I haven't had Influencer in a while. Do they send you like 3 stuff in one box, or is usually just one thing in one box? Because I remember back in the day they only sent me one thing in a box and that's it. So this time they sent me 3 different things in one box and from different brands. So this is like a Ipsy Glamour BoxyCharm, I feel like, but except like mini version. So this is pretty cool. I don't know if it's new. If it's new, please tell me more about Influencer. Like I said, I don't know much about it anymore because of the years and everything changed. So yeah, so that's basically it for today. So let me just open the next box now. Thank you for watching. Bye.